You've accepted your offer and CQUniversity has issued your Confirmation of Enrolment. Your CoE confirms your place in your chosen course and is required for your student visa application. We'll guide you through what happens after your CoE is issued and the important steps you need to take next. Let's get started. Most international students will need a student visa to study in Australia. Use your CoE to apply. Only you or your education agent should apply for your visa. Do not use any other third party. Once you have your visa, you can enrol. How you enrol depends on your course. English language students enrol on their first day of class. Research higher degree students enrol by contacting their research supervisor and the School of Graduate Research. Undergraduate and postgraduate coursework students enrol independently via MyCQU. MyCQU is your gateway to everything. You can book orientation events, check your student email, and more. Log in using your student email or ID. Use your temporary password for first-time access. Search accessing MyCQU to find out more about how to log in to MyCQU for the first time. Plan to arrive early so you have time to settle in. Visit the campus and check in within 3 working days of your class start date. Bring your original passport for check-in. You'll also receive your student ID and access card. And don't forget to join CQUN. Connect with other new students, start conversations, and become part of our welcoming community before you even arrive. Your journey is underway. We look forward to seeing you at CQUniversity.